So, my dear environmentalism. Environmentalism is a very, very important concept, and it's a new concept because previously there was no environmentalism. Human being they were living in jungles, in wildlife kind of situations, so there was no need of environmentalism. But now environmentalism, that is something very, very crucial, something very, very important. Now this is the yard of my house, and I have a lot of plants here, and these plants are part of the nature, part of my environment. So is it my duty to take care of them or not? Should I go only for human rights? I should take care of my human fellows, or I can and I should also take care of these plants which are also in my environment. So this concept is called environmentalism. This is my house. So if I should take care of my house, should I take care of my house as well or not? This is also part of my environment. If I am taking care of myself, why I am not taking care of my environment? So once you are sensitized, once you are clear, once you are aware, you are conscious that as I have to take care of myself, I have to take care of my other human fellows, I have to take care of animals, I should also take care of the nature of my environment. Because if I do not take care of the environment, I will be in a dirty environment, and that dirty environment can also spoil my happiness, my success, and my growth, my progress, my development. So this approach is called environmentalism. Personally, I am environmentalist. I am not just kind of hereditarianism, and when I believe in hereditarianism, which is another concept in contrast of environmentalism. We have environmentalism and we have hereditarianism. Heredity, genetics, that we receive our traits from our forefathers, from our parents, and that is enough. And then we are born great, we are born leaders, and heredity, that is very important. Inheritance after the death is important, and heredity before the birth is important. We have heredity and we have inheritance. Inheritance once we die, heredity once we our genotype, that is important, but also phenotype. What is our environment? So our environment, that is highly essential. So this ideology of environmental rights, that this is our moral duty, this is our ethical duty, that we have to take care of our environment. So I am an environmental activist. I would like to request you to join all the organizations who are taking care of environment. And though my environment is not ideal, there are so many problems. I have brought now this pipe so that I can water them. There are some patches. You can see the patches here. I am walking here and I see these patches. These are not ideal. There are some very green parts also. So today I became so conscious that in what kind of environment I am living, I should take care of my environment. And once you take it ethically, morally, seriously, in what environment you are living, you are environmentalist. There are some people who are against environmentalism, and that is called anti-environmentalism. That there should be no environmentalism because earth is not so fragile. For example, this plant, it is very dry, it is not so fully grown, so it doesn't matter, it is just a plant. They do not have a very advanced nervous system. If this plant, because of climate, because of environment, because of the dry hot season or weather, if it is not doing well, so it means that it is not such a serious matter. Forget about earth is not so fragile, earth is not delicate, climate is something natural, sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold. So don't take it so seriously. It's okay, it's all right, everything is all right. When you have this kind of mentality, so this is called anti-environmentalism. And when you are very conscious, no, These plants also have nervous system. These plants also have feelings. We have to take care of plants. We have to take care of grass. We have to take care of trees. Then this concept is called environmentalism. So please read on environmentalism in detail. Today my this short video message was to make you aware that there is an ideology, there is a philosophy, there is a concept, and that is called environmentalism. When you take environmental matters very very seriously, like human rights, like animal rights, like other rights, so you also take the rights of environment also very very seriously. All the best, my dear friends.